and justice shall reign. Amen. Can you put your hands together for yourselves as we take our seat? I don't know if you've been around all since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then today. In case you have not been around, I want to encourage you to get the audios. The audio recordings will give you an opportunity to listen to about 4 to 5 hours of content for Thursday, 4 to 5 hours of content for Friday, about 5 hours of content on Saturday, and we are capping it up today in 2 hours. Now, I'd like you to pay attention. What we want to do today is basically give you top line summaries of what we did all through the last few days, and then we'll divide ourselves into smaller sections and segments so that anybody who wants to join us who is a guest can learn something unique from each of those segments. People have asked me, are you sure it won't be noisy in this place today? But I said there's a way they do it. It's noisy and we'll still hear ourselves. So we're going to create a small marketplace to give people an opportunity to go to the extreme back, extreme side, extreme like this way, and to basically go through the napkin sessions if we're able to create the time value for it. But I'd like us to get a top level summary of the key points that have been shared in the last 3 days. I'm going to call speaker upon speaker to come forward and speak for like 3 minutes and just give us a bird's view, a bird's eye view of everything that they've shared within the last 3 days. We're going to take it line upon line, why network marketing, we'll take it from there to the napkin presentations. One by one, they'll give us a top level 3 minutes, straight to the point summary of this is what you need to watch out for. This is the book where you can get extra information, and then we'll be able to get that basic guidance before we divide up, before we share what the overall picture looks like for the new presentation, and before we begin to divide ourselves into groups. So today, like all days, I'd like us to pay attention. I'm sure for some of us it's been a long day already. For me, it's been a long day. I went somewhere in the morning where I had to go and speak in 2 different services, and I'm here. Okay, and I'm sure many of us have had a long morning already. Look at the person beside you, say it's time to learn. Tell the person it's free, but you need to pay. What you need to pay is attention. So please pay attention, listen generously, appreciate vigorously. Anytime anybody is invited to come here, please appreciate them and pay serious attention. Write down things, take notes, ensure that you're learning, because the pathway to earning is learning. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. I don't know if you share my excitement, but I'm excited. Somebody calls me and said, I want to start this business all over again, and I want you to sponsor me. In my mind I'm thinking, amateurs convince, professionals sort. Okay, so we're taking this to a level where you need to choose who you want to be a blessing to. Okay, and that's what we need to get ourselves doing as well. Be a blessing to people, but be involved in the choice. So quickly today, we're going to start with Busayo Akanro. He kicked the floor open by sharing with us a little bit about the history of network marketing. Of course, before him, I came and I talked about the success formula. Say with me, success formula. Now, how many of us know that formula? If you know that formula, can I see your hand? You know the success formula? Uh-oh. If you know the formula, can I hear yes? Yes. If you don't know the formula, can I hear no? No. Wow, you have many new people today. Okay, that's fine. What's the formula? Let me just give you a summary. The formula is very simple. The formula says S equals to D, bracket open. If you know it, you can say with me. I plus A plus B, bracket closed, plus B. Again, S equals to D, bracket open, I plus A plus B, bracket closed, plus B. Now let's explain to them what is S. Success. What is S? Success. What is D? Desire. D is desire. What is I? Information. You need to find out who has achieved what you want to achieve before and find out information so that you can follow a system. What is A? Action and application. Yes. Because even if you have desire and you understand the system and you don't take action, are you going to get anywhere? No. So A is what? Action. And what is P? I can't hear you. Persistence. And what does that mean? It means once you make up your mind, you are going in this direction, the only way you can fail is when you quit. We say that the shortest speech in the world had 4 words. Can you remind me that speech? Never, never, never give up. Mr. Churchill, some years ago, that was the speech. And we now said, you put the bracket close, plus B. What is B? Believe. Now when you believe in the power of your dreams and your desires that it will come to pass by obeying this formula, you are likely to keep at it. And we share that as a template. So we said to ourselves, the first thing we needed to have before we started these presentations was desire. And once desire was there, we needed what? Information. And the first person that gave us information was Busayo Akaro. Can you please put your hands together for him?